cooking. Enter your AI sous chef, a culinary companion ready to guide your gastronomic adventures. Platforms like Yumly and MeLime are revolutionizing home cooking, providing personalized recipes and step-by-step instructions tailored to your preferences and pantry. Let's say, for instance, you're a vegetarian with a hankering for Italian and a fridge full of fresh produce. These AI platforms can whip up a recipe, say a hearty eggplant parmigiana, tailored to your taste buds, or perhaps you're a novice chef, nervous about nailing the nuances of a perfect soufflé. Your AI sous chef is there to guide you, providing real-time instructions and tips to ensure your culinary success. Gone are the days of recipe book juggling or scratching your head in the supermarket aisle. With AI, you're never alone in the kitchen. It's like having your own personal sous chef. So, is all this AI goodness a recipe for success or disaster in the kitchen? Let's be honest, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. The cost of these high-tech culinary companions might just leave a bitter taste in the mouth of your wallet. Plus, there's the concern that the human touch, the creativity and spontaneity that make cooking such a joy, could be lost in a whirl of automated processes. Yet it's hard to ignore the allure of convenience, efficiency, and personalized experiences that AI brings to the table. Imagine having more time to savor your meals, to explore new tastes without the pressure of preparation, or to simply enjoy the company of loved ones without being tied to the stove. AI in the kitchen is still simmering, but it's clear the future of food is about to get a lot more exciting. So get your taste buds ready, because the menu of the future is being written by artificial intelligence.